rounds you prepared for this fight, and who's your sparring partners?
¿Cuántos rounds te preparaste para esta pelea y quién eran los que te llevaron el sparring?
Fíjate que la cuenta que le vale no la tengo a la mano, pero bueno, sabemos que el campamento aquí con Mael Salas fue completo, fue uno de los mejores y pues tenemos hicimos con varios análisis mexicanos y varios análisis de aquí, e incluso con Basic porque
We don't really have an account for like how many rounds we did, but I'm pretty sure with Salas we trained really hard at Salas camp, you know, and it's one of our best preparations for this event. So I'm ready to win, and like I said, I'm willing to knock him out.
You said earlier that you will knock out Magsayo. Magsayo replied that he will knock you out too. What round possible you knock out Magsayo?
¿Tú dijiste que tú vas a noquear a Magsayo, sabes? ¿Crees que tú
pues yo no estoy seguro del trabajo porque estamos
I'm willing to say that I can knock him out because of the way I prepare myself in the gym. That's the hardest part. So boxing in the gym. So the fight should be easy now. So now I'm ready to prepare to knock him out.
Yeah, this is all just for the press. I'll make sure they give some credit. Oh, for the Mexico press.
In the sixth round.
Sixth round, wow. There's a lot of people watching in the Philippines right now. Any message to the boxing fans of the Philippines and Mexico and the Philippines?
Viendo este video, ¿qué le gustaría decir a los fanáticos filipinos y a los mexicanos que también van a ver este video?
¿Qué tal, amigos? Pues bueno, un gusto saludarlos. Tengo muchos amigos filipinos que incluso me siguen.
I have a lot of Filipino friends, and they also follow me on my social media. And I'm really excited to show them what I can do, and I want to say hi to you.
Sir, thank you so much. Good luck. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So yun nabati, nakita ang former world champion, Mexican boxer, Mexican brawler, knockout artist. Siya ang umabot na kontra ni Mark Magnifico Magsayo karang umabot nga Sabado, Domingo Oras Pilipinas, undercard sa Manny Pacquiao versus Yordenis Ugas. So, kauban dali ito kauban sa buhat si Jay Otamias sa taga Candelaria, Quezon Province. So, where will be Caletes reporting live gikan diri sa MGM Grand Arena sa City of Las Vegas, sa City of Nevada, sa United States of America. Para sa Sunstar Super Balita, yung wala yung sportsman, yung ka-super DQG, Daniel Kindao Guden. Kita tapon. Bye-bye.
Thank you.